Hello everyone, welcome to AMT Biometric Time Attendance and Access Control System.
In today's fast-paced world, managing employee attendance efficiently is crucial for any organization. Introducing the AMF60 Biometric Time Attendance Device. Key features: fingerprint capacity, 1000. With a large fingerprint capacity, the AMF60 ensures accurate and secure attendance tracking. Password capacity, 1000. Forgot your fingerprint? No worries. The AMF60 also supports password-based authentication. Card capacity, 1000. For convenience, use access cards. The AMF60 can handle up to 1000 cards. Log capacity, 100,000. Keep a detailed record of attendance with a whopping 100,000 log capacity. 2.4 TFT screen. The AMF60 features a crystal clear 2.4-inch TFT display for easy navigation. Optic fingerprint scanner. Our advanced optic fingerprint scanner ensures lightning-fast recognition. Multiple access control options. Control access seamlessly with wide-band relay, doorbell, and alarm features. Recognition speed, less than equals 0.6 s. Say goodbye to waiting. The AMF60 recognizes you in less than 0.6 seconds. Flexible communication. Connect via USB, UDisc, or TCP/IP for hassle-free data transfer. Optional functions. Customize your setup with optional ID cards, 125 kHz, or IC cards, 13.56 mHz. Plus, there's Wi-Fi support. Cloud functionality. Access attendance data from anywhere with our cloud support. Compact design. The AMF60's sleek dimensions, 190 x 75 x 30 mm, fit seamlessly into any workspace. Upgrade your attendance management game with the AMF60 Biometric Time Attendance Device. Visit our website www.amts.pk or contact us today.